Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to control who can send you message on Facebook or manage who can message you on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, because we post videos like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. Let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this you need to download Messenger. Like, that's basic stuff. If you have Facebook, then you need Messenger to message people. Go on Messenger, and once Messenger opens up, at the top right corner you can see your Facebook profile picture, right, which is beside chats. So click on that. Now you can go on privacy, and on privacy you can click on message delivery, and on message delivery you can see others on Facebook, which is at the bottom right above accounts on Instagram. You can click on others on Facebook. Then you can click on don't receive message request. So what it is going to do is whoever person which is not your friend cannot send you a message. So yeah, that's how you basically control who can send you message on Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.